పుట్టినరోజు జేజేలు ఓ సురేష్ అన్న, నీకు ఏటేటా ఇలాగే పండగ జరగాలి, పండగ జరగాలి. జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు అన్న.
నేను చూసి ఆగగలనా, మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా. సామజవర గమన నేను చూసి ఆగగలనా, మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా.
హాయ్ సురేష్, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే, పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ us and don't lift heavy weight, okay? Bye.
Hi Anna, wish you many more happiness of the day. Have a great year.
Happy birthday Suresh.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Suresh bro. Happy birthday Suresh.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Surya. Be happy always and keep shining and keep motivating us for exercises and for fitness.
Hello Suresh, how are you? I know it's your birthday today. Wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day ahead and I have a very beautiful year. I'll see you on Madhuri's marriage. Bye, take care. Bye.
Happy birthday Surya. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Hello Surya. Happy birthday to you, bro. I think you are fine. I hope we will meet you soon. And best wishes for your birthday. And the party will take later. No issue. Okay. Bye.
Hi Surya. Happy birthday. You can mention me video చేసుకుంటాం. పై ఫాలో చెప్పండి. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Hey Surya bro, Surya the upcoming superstar. Wish you a really very happy birthday. I am really missing your reels. Your reels are amazing. Please give me opportunity to work with you in your reels. So once again Surya bro, wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you.
Hello Surya bro, happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very happy birthday bro. One wishes a खूप शुभेच्छा. We are really enjoying your reels. Please send as much as you can. We are really happy by seeing your video. Thank you.
So, wishing a very happy birthday to ನಮ್ಮ most handsome and famous and super strong bodybuilder Surya Anna. So, wishing you very all the best for your career and future ahead Anna. Once again, happy birthday Anna.
Hi Surya. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you best of luck.
Happy birthday Natti Pakodi.
Happy birthday Ania.
Happy birthday Alien.
ఆయన పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే నట్టి పొక్కడి.